Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to scrape LinkedIn data straight into Google Sheets without writing a single line of code? Sounds magical? Well, it kinda is. In this quick video, I will show you how to automatically pull LinkedIn data like names, title, companies, and more using a free tool and zero coding skills. Let's dive in. First of all, here's what you need: a LinkedIn account. Go to linkedin.com, a Google Sheet, go to Google Sheet, a free browser extension called Phantom Buster, a Gmail or Google account connected to your sheet. For this tutorial, I will use Phantom Buster. Head over to phantombuster.com and sign up. It's free to start. Once you are in, go to Phantom Store and search LinkedIn Expert. Click it, go to Phantom Store and search for LinkedIn Search Export. Click it and hit use this Phantom. Connect your LinkedIn session. It will guide you how to copy your LinkedIn cookie. Simple copy paste. Now in the input section, paste your LinkedIn URL. It can be a people, search jobs or filtered query. Choose how many profiles you want to extract. Let's say 100. Scroll down to output section in Phantom Buster. Click link with Google Sheets. You will log in and select the sheet you want to use. Phantom Buster will automatically create headers and fill in the data, things like full name, job title, company, LinkedIn URL, and more. Click launch and bam, the Phantom starts working its magic. After a few minutes, open Google Sheets and here's your data, clean, structured, and totally no code. You can now filter, sort, or even use this for lead generation, job hunting, or building your network totally hands off. And that's it. LinkedIn data into Google Sheets with no code at all. Tools like Phantom Buster make it super easy. Just make sure to respect LinkedIn's usage policies and don't spam people. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more no code magic, and comment below if you want a part 2.